Hey guys, let's play. No, wait, no, not single. So mad. Exit out. X. Okay, I'm gonna play. Menu. Yes. I'm gonna play multiplayer. Let's go, guys. Let's do Tiny Bird. Oh yeah, Tiny Bird. Oops. Go, Tiny Bird. Go. Tiny Bird. Tiny Bird. Tiny Bird. Go. Go, Tiny Bird. Go, Tiny Bird. You can do it, Tiny Bird. Tiny Bird. Go. But yeah. Playing Tiny Bird. Basically you just have to beat all the other characters. But yeah. It's a pretty fun game, honestly. Here, just let me get this second island. But yeah, the farthest island I've made it to is Island 8. And you get new nests, when you get to other islands. Man, I'm doing bad this morning. Ooh, I got the sparkles. It makes you go faster, but if you hit a bump, it goes away. So you don't want to do that. I'm gonna beat that other Tiny Bird. Go! Go, Tiny Bird! Woo! Tiny Bird! New island. Island 2. Oh yeah, awesome. Well, yep. See you guys later. Bye.